Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Socratic application by Google. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Socratic application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will see the sign in to continue button. If you haven't already created your new account, then go ahead and tap on this button anyway, and you will be asked to select your Google account. Go ahead and tap on your Google account, and then you will be asked to allow camera access. Tap on the button that you see, and then when you're prompted to allow access for camera, tap on the allow option. You will then immediately be asked to take a photo of your question so that Socratic can help you out. Now, in order to make sure that you have been signed up correctly, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now, from this page, you will see your account icon and your username at the top left corner. So this means that your account is connected with your Google account. And now you have successfully been signed up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Socratic AI application by Google. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.